I was about to unbox this and I was just like, well, let me actually try a video. I've just been sewing. I'm still working on this bag. I just finished the seam of the inside pocket. I've still got outside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, around 8 places to sew. So, yeah, taking a little breather. I just received this. I've been using this keyboard here, Bluetooth keyboard, quite thin, with my tablet. Alright, I was just interrupted a little bit. So yeah, I've been using this with my Samsung tablet, which I absolutely love. Look at this, I've got 1, 2, 3 split screen, and I've got 1 floating window going, and I've got maybe like 8 or 9 floating windows minimized. And I use a button remapper, and I can make shortcuts to different apps, different things that I use, different Google Docs that I use frequently. I can bring them up. I can really multitask on this. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. So it's a few years old, and it's the 12.2 inch. It's pretty awesome. 12 gigs of RAM. I've got 512 gigs. No, 256 gig storage with a 512 gig SD card. It's just awesome. Never slows down. I mean, it can just handle everything. So I've just started with this whole Bluetooth keyboard and remapping keys, and I've had this one for about 2 weeks, and it's okay. It's not the best quality, and the keyboard's pretty small. But the main thing is the trackpad. Because it's here, I often hit my pads, and it sort of moves the cursor and opens. You know, it's a little annoying. So I'm gonna try one over here, and this one folds, and it's like a more normal size keyboard. But I'm gonna have to readjust my packing in my everyday carry bag to see if I can make it work. I think I can. Yeah, so let's see. Just got a message. What do we got going on? All right, I'll get to that in a little bit. There's something I need to respond to, but can wait. Okay, so this is very nice. Much better than this. This is actually bought this on AliExpress. I do like the light. It has an RGB keyboard, so it lights up, which is pretty cool. And it's thin. It does work. It's super lightweight, and I like that it goes right up against the tablet into the bag. So, yeah. I don't know. I have. Look, I'm a tech lover. When a keyboard that looks like this it sparks my attention. And so I've been using this for the last 2 weeks, and yesterday I was using it and I was like, man, now that I really am into this button remapping and I've got everything set up really nicely and it's working so well and I really like it, why don't I actually go for a keyboard that's better quality? If I'm going to be using it every day quite a lot, I might as well try a little bit better quality. So this one's about 20 bucks. This one is about 50. I think I paid 50 euros for it. So, and you can already right out of the Amazon packaging, I can tell that it's way better quality. Really nice. Okay, so let's do it. Let's see here. Okay. The XK01 TP foldable wireless keyboard with touchpad. Wow. Business travel. Nice. Okay. Let's see here. Nice presentation. Really nice. It's funny, like this 50 euro thing is better presentation than my 1,400 euro phone. It's crazy. Look at this. Oh wow. At first I thought it smelled like leather, but at second smell it actually smells like plastic. So, user manual. Let's see. Don't forget you're covered by ProtoArc's 2-year premium warranty. Oh, that's cool. All right. I'll definitely sign up for that. Cool. All right. I didn't know. This is look at this. I mean, this is very sort of high end. Embossed lettering, silver. Really nice. Oh wow, my name is Howard. I'm the proud designer behind the products you've just unboxed. Your trust in my design means the world to me. As a product designer, I derive immense joy from seeing the unique ways users interact with my designs. If you wish to share your journey, feel free to tag ProtoArc. Oh, that's cool. Very cool. Maybe I should do something like that with my bag. Okay, what's in the box? USB to USB-C. That's it. Okay. And here it is. It comes in this little carrying pouch. It looks like, I did see this online. This looks like a little phone holder, maybe tablet holder, some kind of little stand that I will not be using. And it comes in this little case. Okay. Yeah, I can definitely feel that it's lightweight, and people said that it's all plastic, and it is definitely all plastic. That's for sure. Very lightweight. I mean, it's double the thickness of this. So let's see. Nice. USB-C. It's right at the top, so you can have it, you can use it while it's plugged in, of course. Nice. Okay. Looks like some magnets holding the little sides in place. Let's see what we can use. This is a little point and shoot. So it's not small. Well, yeah, I mean compared to this, it's really small, but it's thicker, isn't it? But look, this is a lot of wasted space. All of this, it is wasted space. I don't know. I do like the simplicity of that though. It's pretty cool. Let's see. Okay, it's already connecting. Wow, it's like a real full-size keyboard. Man, Let's see if I can find, oh, there it is. That's another thing with this cheaper one. It was, let's see. Basically, it just came up as wireless keyboard. This one actually comes up as ProtoArc XK01 TP. Okay, pairing. Still trying to get it paired. I mean, it says available devices. So let's go. See, number one. I like that it has these buttons here. Let's see, pairing, pair. Okay, there we go. All right, connected. All right, cool. Yes. Yeah, this trackpad feels way better. Wow, I'm gonna have to get used to this again. Wow, it's so much bigger. Reaching the... Wow. Reaching this shift key, man, that's a little funny. Why would they do that? I might have to remap that button to be the shift key because it's a little off out of my... I guess I'll get used to it. It's a little further. The shift key is a little shorter. The shift key on here is actually a longer width, but this one puts another key there for some reason. Why would they do that? That's weird. Definitely way better quality than this other one. That's for sure.
And if we...
Media controls seem to work. All right, yeah, I mean, I guess that, okay, that automatically disconnects it, which is pretty cool. Oh, and then let's see how long it takes to come back. Yeah, I'm at what, 2 seconds, probably, I guess it was. Anyway, I guess I'll have to get used to it. Oh, here's a little plastic on the trackpad. That's a good touch. Pretty nice. Feels sturdy. Pretty. It looks pretty sort of rudimentary, almost if you can think about the new foldable phones from all the big companies, how insane their manufacturing process is for those hinges. And then you look at something like this and it's just like, it's a basic hinge type. Same sort of principle, but very, very, very basic. It's just sliding on grooves, basically. And it must have ribbons that are just expanding. But it's a very basic hinge. But let's see how long it takes. So it's off. 1, 2, 3. 2.5 seconds maybe. Pretty good. anyway, I'm gonna have to play around with it a lot more to get any understanding of how it actually functions while using it. And of course, using it on my sort of lap is, yeah, I don't know. That probably won't work. Whereas this one I can use it. Let's see. I was also thinking, where am I going to put it? In here. Oh wow, it's going to have to sit like that. Man, yeah, that's not ideal. Yeah, in fact, wow, it's actually a little bit too tall to stand up like this. That could work like that, but anyway. Oh wow, you can actually feel the hinges moving. You know, it's like just like a case. It's pretty weird. I guess it's supposed to be loose like that. And you open it up. 1, 2. Yeah. 2. Yeah, all right. So let's see. The ProtoArc, what is it called? ProtoArc XK01 TP. I do like it that it's a full keyboard. I don't necessarily like it that it's more complex. But I do like this. This is pretty cool. So I bet I can remap all of these buttons, which is going to be pretty sweet. There's a camera button. It says Inicio, Fin, Repage, Average Page. I think this might be like a sort of a Spanish style keyboard. Actually. Funny. But yeah, let's see. Let's see if it'll work. Pretty cool. Very lightweight. I mean, it's plastic. There's no metal. It looks like there's no metal at all. So, very plasticky. $50? Anyway, I won't know until about 2 weeks. I'll have to see. Okay, that'll do it.